Hey everyone, it is so good to be back with all you lovely people. The release of Ascension went incredibly well, and it's just been amazing scrolling through all of the comments and reading the community's responses to the film. And I was actually fortunate enough to have the devs shout out the film on the official Subnautica Twitter, which was incredible, and that brought so much traction to the film, so really thankful for that opportunity as well. So the reason I've been absent for the past 2 months or so is because I was feeling incredibly burnt out after the release of Ascension. So it was really important for me just to take a bit of time away. It also allowed me a lot of time to think through my future career plans as well. It's really important for me to have a clear goal and direction moving forward. And during this time, I was able to relocate and completely overhaul my desk setup. So without further ado, let's get into it. This was my old setup. It was located in the corner of the dining room. So the table had to be quite small, only about a meter wide, so it wouldn't block the doorway there to the left. The problem with this location is because it was in the dining room, a really communal area, there was a lot of traffic going in and out and constant distractions, people having meals, so that made audio recording and webcam recording nearly impossible. So I moved into our spare room downstairs. For my desk, I've got the 4-tier height adjustable frame paired with the IKEA Trident tabletop. And while I was there, I also picked up a Signum cable tray. This will really help make things a bit tidier at the back of the desk. This is the desk fully assembled, and the best part is it is height adjustable. So I can go from sitting, and at the press of a button, the whole tabletop moves up vertically and I can come back and stand while working. For my mousepad, I'm using the 80cm wide Ravient mousepad from Amazon. I decided to buy a monitor arm as well, just because it makes the desk look extra clean and also provides a lot of flexibility for how you want your monitor to be positioned. My particular arm is the North Bayou H100, which supports up to about 9 kilos, so for my ultra wide monitor, no problems whatsoever holding that. And as a substitute for a desk lamp, I went with the Xiaomi Mijia Light Bar. This illuminates your desk without glare, and it's got a wireless controller that allows you to control the brightness as well as the color temperature. If you hold it down and swivel it, it can go to a really nice yellow hue for working late at night. I'm really happy with this. It's a lot cleaner than a traditional desk lamp. I've got my PC resting on some drawers, and here you can see a shot of my dog. He's really interested in these for some reason. To the left of the desk, I've got a shelf with some books, as well as some baskets for extra storage, and of course a dedicated shelf for the game controllers. Getting a USB hub was also very important, means I can have access to those ports without reaching around the back of my PC. Moving on to decorations, I actually printed out one of my own 3D renders on a slimline acrylic, which I think turned out really nice. And of course, we have an A1 poster of Unknown Waters to top it all off. Ambient lighting's key to a really nice setup, so I've got a Kmart desk light with the Nanoleaf A60 smart bulb. These retail for about 30 Australian dollars, and for the price, they're unbelievable. They're full RGB, connect to Siri and HomeKit, and I bought a second one and placed it in a floor uplighter from IKEA. To the back of the desk, I've got an RGB light strip, which provides a subtle accent to the region just below the monitor. I needed some speakers, so Dad was kind enough to give me some of his old Acoustic Energy speakers. I was skeptical because of the small size, but when paired with the subwoofer, they give off a really clean and rich sound. Every desk needs some greenery, so I've got a Dracaena burley and a fake grass plant because one plant to care for is more than enough. I've got the grass in the left corner and the Dracaena in the right. To top it all off, I've got the Asakuki 500ml diffuser. My eyes get dry quite quickly when I'm staring at screens, and so this helps humidify the air and also adds just a little bit extra light into the scene. So with all that being said, this is my new desk setup. I'm incredibly happy with the end result. Seeing my own art on the walls in conjunction with the colored lighting helps me stay inspired and motivated as I'm working. Now that I've got my own space away from the noise of the household, I'm able to truly focus on my work. It's an absolute pleasure to return to this space, continually improve my skills and get better day by day. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown of my new desk setup. I've got a Q&A coming out soon where I'll be answering your questions about Ascension, so stay keen for that. In the meantime, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Dave Sajono. That's it from me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.